Hello guys, welcome to the video. Got something to tell you. I'm not gonna be working here that much, but the garage is clean because I recommend not to do projects here, okay? First we're gonna do, get a bag like this. Before you start your project, I can't start right now. I need to get some bags out first before I dismantle that thing first. Okay, that should do it. Alright, you guys. If you tear up the leaf blower, the stuff inside would have to go through it first. You don't want to ping it because they're fighting, but I'm not going to tell you their names. It's kind of rude. Something's going on in the marriage problems. It's not good for fighting people. YouTube, if you're watching this, don't come out and me. I'm trying to help the community. First, gotta move the stuff out of the way, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, I recommend get one of these handles. There we go, that should do it. Okay guys, now we're all set up for this process. I'll be here in a minute. Same with the floor. You guys, make sure you get a screwdriver like this, or you have issues with something. Like, clear all this nasty stuff in there. Okay. Alright, now we're in for access in a minute, you guys. Stuff is disgusting. Yeah, there's the thing in the back, the fan. Okay, guys, hold on. There we go. Alright, you guys, we're all set. We'll get this time-lapse video in a minute. This thing still works. Makes them this long. Dang it, I got a phobia, guys. I'm sorry, I got a phobia. Bad luck. Dang it, bad luck. I'm gonna kick myself off. Alright, guys, we're all set. We made a long drill. That's my shift. Alright guys, means chores. That's what shift means. You have to keep it on it for an hour. My iPad's not working again. I have to do this. know why I'm pause the time-lapse video because I got a cut. Look, got a cut injury from a leaf blower. First, we're gonna do is gonna break that open, throwing stuff on the ground. Watch me, guys. Remember the bottle video? That's what we're gonna do. That's what happens. A leaf blower cuts me. Watch this. See you guys? We're trying to access the main panel. Yes. Whoa, guys, look at that. We're breaking it good. Holy. Guys, it's working. This thing's getting a little bit worsty. I'll clean that up. Watch this. Whoa, we did it, guys. Whoa. It's how you access a motor. Hold on, you guys. Dang it, this thing's hard to do. Here it is, guys. There's the motor. It's what happens. Mechanics are hard. Remember, don't try this at home. Don't get yourself cut, okay? I already got a cut before. First time ever. Alright, guys. We got the motor out. And I have to clean up the mess. Guys, you know what they use the motor for? For a generator. I heard of people trying to transfer into a motor. This is a good thought. Remember, this is for educations only. I become an engineer and don't ever cut yourself on plastic at all. It'll kill you. Alright. Uncle, if you're watching this, look what happens. What the leaf blower did to me. Caught me good. Alright guys, you see it right there? This is for the generator. Hopefully it will work. Make sure you check your multimeter. I'm going to take it home for a test, okay? Alright guys, I'll be right in a minute. Okay guys, finish is complete. 110 volt motor. This thing is a little fast. First we're gonna put this back in the car and do some thumbnail. Alright guys, thanks for watching Coldman89 here, and I hope you have a great time with this little motor, and remember, this is going to be a hydraulic generator. Yeah, be careful. Good luck. You guys, we at 46 subscribers. It's not clickbait time. 46 subscribers. We did it, guys. 46 people voted for me. Very proud. Make sure you let me know who subscribed to me. please let me know. That's the end of the leaf blower test. I will upload it probably soon, but yeah, it's coming now. I was supposed to say thank you for 46 subscribers. See where are we at now? Are you guys joking, or you better not be unsubscribing? I'll be really mad. Alright, we're still 46. Oh man. I am so hoped up, man. Honestly, you guys, we're at 46. Yes. 46. Today's date is the 25th. We got 46. If any of you who subscribed, go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Link down in the description. Alright guys, that's for this video, and that's the end. Bye.